Christmas wouldn't be Christmas for me without pigs in blankets on your Christmas dinner plate. And today I'm going to show you how to do them dead quick and easy in your air fryer. So let's jump straight into this.
1 Pizza 2 ready, cooking and unboxing videos.
Welcome back to the channel everyone, and today we're going to run through how to cook pigs in blankets in an air fryer. Are you expecting Santa to bring you one of these this year? Have you been naughty or nice? Have you already been given an air fryer for Christmas, or have you treated yourself? So if you have, we're going to run through how to cook these in the air fryer. So I nipped down to Aldi earlier on, battled with the masses, and I've got myself a couple of packets of pigs in blankets. I was going to show you how to make them, roll them, but I thought you all know how to roll a sausage and a bit of bacon, so I thought most of you are going to do this. Nip down to Aldi, get a packet, pop them in. So I thought we'd just do that. So I'll move you in so you can see what buttons I'm pressing, and we'll get cracking. Let's open these up. Got one of the Ninja knives, and just going to open all these up. Obviously once cooked they will last easily 3 days in the fridge, wrapped and labelled, but obviously they might only last 3 hours in our house. It does on the inside give you instructions to cook using an oven. From chilled it says 25 minutes, so this will be a good comparison to see how fast they cook in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of the drawers. I'm literally just going to tip these straight in. And I am going to just stick both packets in one drawer, because let's face it, your other drawer at Christmas is going to have something else in, like your roast potatoes or some turkey. And make sure you head over to my video from last year where I cooked a turkey in the air fryer but using the grill. Okay, so there we go, they're all in there. And I've just kind of separated them, put them on the bottom. I'm going to put this back in. I'll use this hand that's not touched the sausages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to press drawer number 2 because I've put them in drawer number 2 because that's closest to me. Then I'm going to swizzle around to air fry. I'm going to drop the temperature slightly just to 180 degrees because I don't want the bacon to burn until the sausages are nice and cooked. And time, I'm going to knock this down to 15 minutes, and then we're going to press the stop button, and we're going to give this a shake every now and again. So 15 minutes, off we go. I can clear up and go and wash my hands. Okay, so we are now halfway through the 15 minutes, so we're going to pull it out and have a quick look, and already they're looking good. Now I'm actually not going to move these, I'm just going to leave them sat where they are, so obviously the air's getting around them, and if I shake them, actually the bacon's going to probably then unravel off, so I'm going to leave them and I'm going to put them back in. So we'll see what they're like at the end of the next 7 minutes. Coming up to the last few seconds. There we go, usual Ninja beep, and I'm just going to switch it off. And then let's have a look. Pigs in blankets, done. Don't they look good? Nice. Yeah, they're cooked all the way around as well. So there we go. Could you eat that? Let's give one a taste. So there we have, nice, quick and easy how to cook pigs in blankets in an air fryer. You've also heated up a lot less space. You've only heated up one drawer, not a whole oven. However, obviously Christmas dinners you're going to be cooking loads anyway. Right, let's have one. Let's stop talking. do taste really good. I just love how the air fryer does them. Nice and crispy, there's no soggy bits. So good. Let me know in the comments below what are you doing in your air fryer this Christmas, and obviously make sure you do stay subscribed to the channel and you're keeping up to date with all the tips and tricks over on our Facebook page, Ninja Foodie World. Come and say hello to the nearly 10,000 members and growing all the time. Put some pictures on of what you're cooking at Christmas and I'll be sure to say hi on there as well, and obviously offer some more tips, tricks, and if you're getting stuck, bang a comment in there and one of the fantastic page members or admin will be sure to answer you. Until next time everyone, yeah, have a great Christmas. I'm really thankful for you guys tuning in throughout this year, especially during the relaunch of the channel, and I hope to see you again during 2024. Until then, see you later.
One pizza too many.